What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to yet again another video. If you guys remember from 2 videos ago, we went up to Lake 2O, had a great time with my brothers, but unfortunately we found a weak point in the car. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably suspected this was gonna happen at some point. So if you put 1 and 1 together, then you get this. As you guys probably expected from the last video, broke gas tank, cracked gas tank. So this was our next option. I went with the 15-gallon fuel cell, and I went with the Evo Energy line, and then the Evo Energy fuel pressure regulator. So we're gonna prep out. I already started prepping out the trunk a little bit, but we're gonna prep it out. As you can see, I already have my pump and filter, but we're gonna prep it out and get this thing in.
Where the fuck my blunt? Where the fuck my cup? Where the fuck my wreath? I'm smoking on kids. I'm smoking on kids. You know I'm a cheaper. You know I'm a cheaper. I'm flying Jamaica Eagle. Big crayon, no need 4-5 long heater. Cat big 2-seater. This bitch said she was hungry. This dick what I feed her. I'm on the block, trapping on trace. Yeah, 3 5s a reef. Yeah, you know I'm a keeper. I be cheap. All these hoes some eaters. They be eating. Cut the lights out, we gon' pull up creep. We got 4 6, we 4 deep in the photo Jeep. My boy trigger figure is here, leave your brains on the seat. My trigger figure is here, I feel like D-Wayne with the heat. Made him do the running, man, we said something right this shot, set his feet. I put X, yeah, yeet.
Alright guys, so we finally got this little floor drilled out for the AN lines. I'm gonna put a piece of wood on top because I do need to elevate the fuel cell a little bit to be able to fit it in, because it has like a bottom piece where the feed line goes that interferes. There's gonna be some wood on top of this, so let's keep going. Let's finish this off. Fittings, we're gonna get these on these lines, and then we'll put them on the car, wire up the fuel pump, and we should be ready for the first step. Alright guys, well, I'm here at the shop making my last line for the fuel system, and I figured why not show you guys how I do it. So basically, I know there's other ways of doing this, but this is kind of the way that I do it. These are the essentials that I use. I just use some wire lubricant, a grinder. You have your fitting, and whatever wrench you're gonna need to put this thing on, the fitting. And you can't forget the masking tape. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the tape on the braided part wherever you're gonna cut. And basically you're just gonna cut wherever, I mean obviously you might need a measure, but I'm just going to cut this flush right here so we could get a nice smooth cut. So you take your grinder, cut it, take off the blue tape, and you should have a nice clean cut with no messed up braids. And as you can see, there is a smooth cut, nice and straight, and the braids are intact and they're not messed up. And so now you take your fitting, unscrew it from the From this part, you're gonna take this fitting. You could see in there where it bottoms out, and you'll also feel it. So you're gonna take this fitting and put it, you could do it by hand. I do it on a vise. I find it easier than doing it by hand. Next, you don't have to do this part. I do it because it's easier for me. I take a little bit of this lubricant and smear it around the edge. And then you're gonna grab your line and make sure it's straight, and you'll feel when it bottoms out. All right, now you should have that fitting on. Next, you're gonna put it on the vise. Then take this part that threads in. Then once you got that fitting in, you could just wrench it on and create a nice tight sealing fitting. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Well, that was a fail. Alright guys, as you saw from the previous clips, when we initially put in the fuel cell, we did run into some wiring issues. Now granted, this is my first time ever doing some wiring like this, so I was kind of expecting some issues, but we finally have the whole system figured out. We finally have it buttoned up, sort of. And I already primed the system with fuel, so I'm gonna just give her hell and see if she starts. Here, go stand in the back so you could get like a little close start. It's finally time, guys. I'm gonna turn on the fuel pump and then try to start.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. When I wake up, I count cake. She want her nails and hair done, cause she my babe. Hold on, let me get my ass up. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. When I wake up, I count cake. She want her nails and hair done, cause she my babe. I smoke out a pound to the face. And he try to be cool. Okay. I can't go outside without that cooling kid. Won't catch me outside without that cooling kid. Acting out your money, you might lose that shit. Such a waste of time, you better move it, kid. Yeah, banging that fire, banging on side. Living in crime, never ain't crime. Turn 2 to a 4 to a 4 to a 9.
Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It was definitely a very, very fun one, and I learned a lot of new skills that I never knew I had from this video. So before we do close off this video, I just want to give a big thanks to my boy Andy and my boy Gio for helping me out with any questions that I had about this whole fuel system and whatnot. I appreciate you boys. Make sure you guys go check out their car pages. They got some clean builds on their pages. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, cool.
When I wake up, I count cake. She want her nails and hair done, cause she my babe. I smoke out a pound.